South Africa is part of a global study to test a new antibiotic for gonorrhea. The pathogen is among 12 bacteria families prioritized by the World Health Organization for the development of antibiotics. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease that is becoming increasingly resistant to current treatment and is posing a public health challenge globally. TDTN's Julie Shire reports.
South Africa is one of 4 countries conducting phase 3 testing on a new antibiotic called zoliflodacin to treat gonorrhea. The sexually transmitted disease is unresponsive to many treatments, making it difficult to manage.
Often there are no symptoms, and so people don't know that they have gonorrhea, and that's why there's such a prevalent spread of infection. The antibiotics that we have available to treat gonorrhea are no longer as effective because the gonorrhea organism has developed strategies to evade antibiotics. This new trial is really looking at developing a new antibiotic for gonorrhea, so that could treat resistant gonorrhea.
The study includes 1,000 participants from South Africa, the US, the Netherlands and Thailand. They're split into 2 groups and are given either the new drug or existing medicines.
They will be followed up for a period of time, and we will compare cure rates in the 2 groups. If there is minimal difference between the 2 groups, we can say that the new drug is as good as existing treatments. In some instances, it's possible to declare that it's better, but our goal is really to show that it's no worse than the existing treatments. And that would be a first step then in a process to obviously license this product and then consider how to introduce it into the health system.
80 million people suffer with gonorrhea every year. Sub-Saharan Africa has the highest number of cases. South Africa counts for over 2 million. More worryingly, the country has the highest HIV burden in the world, with more than 7 million people living with the virus.
People who get gonorrhea are at higher risk for HIV because obviously their sexual practices that put them at risk for gonorrhea could also put them at risk for HIV. And also what we know is that the inflammation that's caused by gonorrhea can make people more susceptible or more infectious for HIV.
Doctors are crossing their fingers the new drug will work against gonorrhea. South Africa will also be able to access the drug if it's approved, shielding many from the risk of HIV. Julie Shire, CGTN, Cape Town, South Africa.